Hi, my name is Levina Tracy. I'm going to present for the introduction. To begin, let me introduce you to the group member first. Our first group member is Nabila binti Erahim. Our second member is Nur Adila Adha binti Abu Bakar. And lastly, me myself, Levina Tracy Jurem. Let's continue with the project introduction. In this project, we will design a visible watermarking system using MATLAB software. The design will include a MATLAB GUI program of producing watermarking image of original image that are in JPEG format. Then, the watermarking word BEJ 10201 SEM2 SESI 2020/2021 will be visible on the watermark image. We have used plenty of programming techniques in order to finish this project. We also implied a wise use of function in programming to solve the task given. And for the objective of this project are, firstly, to develop image watermarking system using MATLAB software, and secondly, to improve understanding on MATLAB matrix data as image data manipulation using MATLAB.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Adila Adha binti Abu Bakar, and today I will present to you about method of project. As you can see, this is the workflow coding of the project. First, the project will run the program. After that, it will call the original image by selecting it in file. After that, it will call the watermark image by selecting it in file. Next, embedded the watermark image together with the original image. After that, it will display the embedded image, and lastly, user will exit the program. This is a project methodology that we can find in this project. 1 is use the GUI interface in order to create the simple app for user. In order to create the simple app for user to experience interactively. Secondly, generated a program file containing MATLAB features that controls how the UI behaves. Thirdly, utilize the MATLAB editor to feature code to callbacks, which it executes while user interacts with a UI component. Fourth, use trendy dialog boxes that can create with a single function call.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nabila binti Erahim. I'm from Group 1 and today I will present about the result for our project. So first, as we know, this project is try to make watermark image using another image, and then we use MATLAB GUI for that. Okay, so this is the MATLAB GUI that we created for this project. It contains of 3 axes and then 4 push button. And then the push button we rename as original image, watermark image, and then exit. So this is the coding that were generated if we run this MATLAB GUI. So here at the first push button, we will ask the user to pick one file from the folder, and then from the image chosen, we will ask the system to take the size of the original image, and then the original image will then appear at the first axis, and then the title of the image will be the original image. So the second push button also do the same as the first push button, that is ask the user to pick one file from the folder, and then after the user choose one file, then the system will take the size of the watermark image, and then the watermark image will be appear at the second axis, and then the title will be watermark image. And then the third one is for the paste the two image together, and then the second image will be the watermark. Okay, so we use the bit plane for the watermarking, and then the image also will become the black and white. So here, if the watermark is too large for the original image, then the system will shrink the image. Meanwhile, if the watermark is too small for the original image, then the system will just paste the watermark into the original image, and then the image will appear at the third axis, and then the title is watermark image. The message box written down also will be appear at the end to show that the image has been watermarked. And then the fourth push button is for the close program. So we will run to show the result. So I will press the first push button, and then choose one image, one core image, and then this is the title. The images that I picked earlier, and then the images will be black and white. Watermark image, I choose one of the watermark. This is the title, and then the image chosen, and then the last one. So I need to choose from 6 to 8 so that the watermark will be visible. If I choose the number 1 until 5, then the watermark will be invisible. So this project wants the watermark to be visible, so we need to choose from 6 to 8. The system also put 6 by default in the answer, so that the watermark will be visible. So we choose 8. Okay, then done. So we can see here at the watermark image, at the third axis, the original image is being watermarked by the second image. So when I push exit button, then it will close the program. So that's all from me. Thank you.
For the project's discussion, we have observed that digital data is easy to copy, modify, and share. True use of watermarking does not guarantee that your digital data will not be duplicated or modified. Watermarking, on the other hand, allows us to verify the author's copyright as well as safeguard the authenticity. Digital watermark can now be embedded into any digital media in such a way that they are undetectable to human vision, but recognizable only by the owner's computer program for watermark restoration. From the system that we have designed, we have proposed a classification based on the intrinsic feature, embedding hidden data and user-friendly interface watermarking programming. Also, a basic step-by-step model for the watermark process was presented. All of the watermarking algorithms have been reviewed in the method which show the flow of the system. The highlight in this project is we also create a function where user will be able to select the range of visibility of the watermark on their image by choosing number from 1 to 8. Another high point is the declaration of variable used in this project is to prevent any mistake when the programming are being executed, which improve computational performance and has the easier hardware implementation.
And for the last part is the conclusion. In a nutshell, The process of hiding the details of an object by developing image watermarking system using MATLAB software can be learned in this project. Watermarking embedded a signal directly into the data, and the signal becomes an integral part of the data. Besides, the image data manipulation by using image processing toolbox can be acquired too, as the utilization of basic command also being used in this project. Indeed, digital watermarking technology is being adopted to ensure the facilitate data and authentication, security, and copyright protection of digital media. That's all from our group. Thank you.